Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful matte sophisticated looking smoky eye. It's a classic, something which will work for all of us. So we're going to start this off and let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to start with the SIMPLYNAM Hydrafit color corrector. This is a peachy toned color corrector which will work perfectly on medium skin. They have around 3 shades in this range, so choose the one based on your skin tone, and this is just one of the most amazing formulation. I usually do not like color correctors because it shows that orangeness through, but this one is just perfect because it's peachy and it completely covers that entire dark circle, and it just looks beautiful without giving you that gray ashiness like a concealer. So definitely get your hands on this. I cannot tell you how much I've been really liking this one. Super nice, lovely finish, good amount of color in it, just a nice beautiful finish too, and it works really well if you have more texture on your under eyes. I personally love how this product can just be used without any, like concealer, and it just keeps the under eye looking really simple and fresh. Now we're going to use the Sotrue Beauty's Dark Spell Kajal Pencil. It's a very nice Kajal pencil which is gel type, and it gives you that nice intense amount of color. And we're going to use the Milagro Beauty's Target Blending Brush, which is a pencil brush, and we're going to use this to do the entire smudging work today. So just start in the outer corner and create a very thin line. This kajal is very intense, so once you start blending it, it just goes like literally like everywhere. So it's super creamy, very blendable, very nice formulation because once it dries, it is literally something which you cannot smudge. And it gives you this nice one clear swipe application. I just love the formulation in this. You can see how it works, and especially if you have sensitive eyes, I think it's very comfortable to use it. And quickly before it dries, go ahead with the smudging brush and just softly blend that out and give it that a little bit of smoke hazy effect. Keep it as close as possible towards the lash line though. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other eye, just going ahead with some amount of kajal on the upper lash line and doing the same on the lower lash line. Tight line really well all the way from the inner corner till the outer corner. That way it's completely connected with each other. And quickly before it dries, we're going to go ahead with the smudging brush. Smudge it out. Just go with neat back and front motions along the lash line. You don't have to blend in the waterline, just along the lash line. Just use your brush and you're pretty much good to go. Now we're going to move on to a blending brush. This is again from Milagro Beauty. It's easily available, which is why I'm linking it all for you, and it's very affordable too. We're going to use the Makeup Revolution's iconic eyeshadow palette. I've been loving this for a good neutral palette, drugstore friendly, just does the job really well. So we're going to go with this peachy pinky kind of a color, and we're creating the base because I didn't want to go too dark on the lid, and I want to keep it more like daytime appropriate as well. So we're going to start with something a little lighter, and instead of starting with something darker, just apply that color all across the lid as well as in the crease, and then slowly just start to kind of blend that out. That's pretty much how it works. Super easy. You do not have to stress a lot. Don't pull it out as well. Just keep it as close as possible towards the natural eye shape. Now clean your brush and then go ahead. Use the same brush in your crease. If you're struggling to blend it out, take a little bit of the peachier tone, which is most closer to the skin tone, and then just go ahead and slowly buff that out into your skin. So once we're done blending it out, I'm going to jump back into the same pencil brush. I'm going to pick the darker brown right now just to give it a little more connectivity with the color. So use that in the junction between the black and the lighter color which we used before. That way it is going to give it that amount of, like a good clean blend without harsh edges. And we're going to repeat the same on the lower lash line. Quickly going to go ahead with both the colors and just do the same thing on the lower lash line. Keep it as close as possible to your eye. Do not pull it out too much. Take very less color and keep adding as you go along. Now we're going to move on to the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara. I like this because it's easy to use on a day-to-day basis. It gives you that good amount of curl and lift, but it's also easy to take off at the end of the day. So we're going to go ahead with this mascara. Coat all your lashes from the bottom till the top, and make sure that you're giving a lot of attention to your lashes because it's usually never visible with a smoky eye. So this mascara does the trick of giving you that length as well as the volume and the darkness in it. So go ahead and do your upper as well as your lower lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead with a little bit of false lashes. These are from Pack Cosmetics, and we're going to place them and just go with something as simple as possible. So these lashes are perfect for hooded eyes because it's not too densely packed and it's also quite nice and lightweight and wispy. So it'll make it really comfortable for you to wear, especially without feeling too heavy as well. So this is the completed look, and I've kept all the products shown to you in the entire video. The brushes are just two, and that is all you need for creating this look. You just need a pencil brush and a blending brush. And these two brushes I've been using for a very long time, and they are phenomenal in quality. So try this one out, and all the products are linked for you in the description bar below. So you can just go ahead and check it out. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye.